guys. I'm back, kind of, because I didn't talk to you about it, but I think in this video I will talk about it. We moved to Egypt for good. We moved from Houston, Texas to Egypt for good, which is kind of excitement and anxiety, tiredness. So if you are we are in the middle of our transition, let's say it. We are now in rented apartment. We are waiting for our sea shipment to arrive on in 2 months, and then we maybe will be settled down a little bit, at least with my furniture, with my stuff, with my makeup, with bed. And today I'm trying to do like a kind of makeup tutorial, kind of show you what I'm doing. We are going to iftar today, and I think most of the world knows about the holy holy months of Ramadan, that people fast, the Muslim fast till the sundown, from sunrise to sundown. And today we are invited to have dinner. I thought I will go getting ready with you. Maybe let's see how it's going to be. I have a lot to talk about it. I have all system different. Definitely will have more chat video than makeup tutorial coming up. Okay, be tuned. Okay, so I primed my eyelid with, I have left little bit of my Surratt concealer. So this is the one I used it already. See, little bit, I need to finish it. It's very good, very creamy. And then of course Surratt eyelashes curler. And I decided, because I didn't bring all my makeup, and if you missed my how did I arrange all my Chanel and DIOR, or kind of declutter, and what I'm going to have with me, I will put the link down below for you guys. So I brought with me warm memories, which I find out that I didn't use it at all. Can you believe that? I didn't use it at all. Yeah, it's 354 warm memories. I didn't even swatch it, guys. This one, lots of lights. It doesn't make any. I have light here and light here. Yeah, this is what I'm going to use today. Okay, so let's see what I am going. I'll take my usual fluffy Tom Ford, and I think I will take this one. It's a very nice palette. This is the like creamy. No, didn't use it at all. Very blendable. One, I think the light is not helping here. I am done with my eye makeup. Every time I forgot how good this Chanel foundation. When I don't use it a lot and start using it again, I remember how much easy to apply, easy to deal with, easy blendable. The finishing is great. What else you want? See? I don't know, with this light you can see or no. It's perfect. It's perfect, perfect. And I set it up with my limited edition, this Chanel powder. beautiful, beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Anyway, now I need to have bronzer, so I didn't bring lots of bronzers with me. I have actually two, right? Yeah, I have Hourglass. I love this one. Love those combination. And I have my handy dandy Tomford. Cannot live without two. So let me take Tomford. I have this brush here. Let me do it. I love it. I love it. Didn't go. Very natural. When I say natural, doesn't mean any natural like you saw me before makeup. But I mean, you know what I mean. You know what I mean, right? You know what I mean. I'm hoping you know what I mean. I'm hoping when I'm editing that, the light will be better, because I feel I am so focused on the light. Here the ring light, here another light, and behind me is so dark. Bedroom. Can't wait to have my stuff back, so I start to make decent videos, you know, decent video. You know my drill, right? Know me by now. Europe, this is doesn't go old. Doesn't go old. Okay, let me take. Do I have other? I get these blushes with Chantecaille. Let me take. What Neri Tomford blush brush. And I will take oh, the coral one, this one. Don't want to blind you. This one. It's very nice, very pigmented. See, just love this one. Very good products. I don't know, guys, about that. I'm hoping that it will be better when I'm editing. Not quite sure how it's going to be honest with you. Highlighter. Let me take the one. If I will use that, let me use, because this highlighter is very good. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Wow, love it. Okay, so now need to have, I need to have, I didn't yet did my microblading. I need to do that next week, inshallah. I have a lot to do. Let me, off the camera, I will do my normal Tom Ford. I will come back to you. And I'm done with my makeup and my hair. And as I told you in the intro, that we are now in Egypt. I'm sorry about the background. I don't like to have background for a bed, but this is our rented apartment, and till I figured out where can I film, but it has been a while I didn't film, and I miss you guys so much. So let me first wear a lipstick. Brought with me my mini Louis Vuitton. I have this, all the ones I have. So I don't know which one I can have actually. How about DIOR, this one or this one? Let me take this one. I guess I have small mirror here from DIOR. This one, let me apply it, and then we'll talk. We are in Egypt, and we are, as you see, in rented apartment. We are going for iftar today, and it's the end of Ramadan, which is sad but nice to have a Eid after. Anyway, I just wanted to chat with you about our move and all what's going on in my life, and why I didn't film for a while. But yeah, we moved last month, and we have been here. Yeah, we have been here almost 4 weeks now, and we enjoy it, but little bit all over the place, because finding an apartment to live in and everything, change the banks, change the phones, but it's fun. I am more next to my parents, and if you follow me, you know that I am Egyptian, so it's nice to be back to my home with the people I love, and with my parents, with my nieces, with my sister. It's nice with my friends. I will miss USA, of course, and I will miss my family there too, but I just say that we will see each other during Thanksgiving, during Christmas. They will come to us, we'll go to them. They come visit us at any time. Some of them, they've never visited Egypt before, so it will be nice that they will visit it, because it's lots of stuff going on now in Egypt, which is nice. Yeah, that's it. I will try to pick the nice area to film, rather this bed behind me, and we'll go from there. I hope that I can do more videos and more stuff, and yeah, like my makeup though. I told you which one, Warm Memories, which I didn't wear it for, I didn't use it at all, and I'm wearing Azza Fahmi. You know me, I love this set. And here's Tor, and my jewelry, my normal jewelry, and yeah, I will try to take, because here there is no long mirror, unfortunately. So I will try to ask my husband gently to video me all me. So you see the abaya, it's a very nice, has lots of glittery, and my nails, I did it yesterday, lots of glitters too. I love glitters, you know me. Anyway, so I will see you in my next video.